In this video, I'll show you how to add an AI voice in CapCut on your mobile. So let's start by opening the CapCut application, and from here you can either open an existing project or we can just select New Project. Then you'll need to make sure you have video footage imported into the timeline. Now that we have our video footage on the timeline, we now need to mute this background audio so that we can add an AI voiceover. So to do this, just select your video footage and then come down to Volume in the bottom. And you want to move this volume slider all the way down to 0 and press the tick icon. Now what we're going to do is add some text on the screen, and we're going to use this for our AI voice. Once you've added the voiceover, you can always remove the text, or you can leave it on the screen if you want captions. So to do this, just deselect your video footage like so, and then click on text in the bottom navigation. And then type in the text you want your AI voice to be saying. So I'm just going to type, "Hey, look at this mouse." Now you can make this text as long or as short as you want, and you can of course style it by changing all of the fonts, effects, and all of the colors. So just go ahead and press the tick icon once you've finished. And then we're just going to resize this text by pinching the edges and dragging inwards. Once you're happy with your text, click on Text to Speech. And from here, we'll have a bunch of different AI voices to choose from. So you can choose between both male and female voices, and there's a mixture of both free and pro voices available. Obviously, if you select one of these pro ones, you'll need to have the CapCut paid version. So I'll be selecting this neutral man voice here. So if I go ahead and play this, you can hear what this sounds like. Look at this mouse. Now, once you're happy with your voice, if you want to apply this to all of the text on the timeline, click on Apply to All. Once you've selected that, we can press the tick icon. So now that we've got our voice, you can either leave the text on the screen like so, or we can just drag it to the edges to completely hide it from the video footage. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you add an AI voice to CapCut. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.